Hi all, welcome to the Daily Charts. My name is Michael and I'm the analyst and content creator here on the channel. Now if you're watching this video, you probably already dipped your toes in the world of trading. And like most beginners, you're realizing something that's a bit terrifying. There's a lot of information out there. And you've watched probably dozens or maybe more than dozens of YouTube videos on indicators, on markets, on individual stocks or ETFs or crypto. And basically you read about patterns and technical analysis, and maybe you even placed a couple of trades with a demo platform. But do you really have a plan? Do you really know what kind of market is the best to day trade or to invest? Or you just basically browsing a sea of conflicting advice, hoping to make your first move and be successful without really having a deep thought plan. So the idea here is that you need somebody that can guide you through all this basically madness. And here at the Daily Charts, we are for you, and we offer a very straightforward plan for you to follow. And let me dive right into it. Before I'll continue with our plan, let's be reasonable. Most of the beginners that are starting their journey in the business of trading, it doesn't matter which market, cannot be successful because they're not helping themselves become successful. And the idea here is that you don't need to blow your account in the first 3 months or 6 months, not because you're not smart, but because you're trying to build basically a program or a path or basically a building where you have no foundation. And here at the Daily Charts, we are help you with our mission is to help you build a very strong foundation and under which or above which you can trade any market. Let me ask you one thing. That's obviously a super important thing that you need to ask yourself as well. Do you think that trading is a get-rich-quick scheme? Or is it a professional skill like engineering or medicine or a pilot or a driver or maybe a dentist? So would you perform surgery after taking classes for 2 months or a month? Would you do it? Probably not. So in order to start successfully in the business of trading and day trading, basically, you need a bridge. And the way to build a strong and solid foundation, you need a guide. Basically, somebody that did it before, somebody that can compile for you the idea, the concept, the knowledge, and the know-how, and can guide you through your first 3 to 6 months in the business of trading. And you can do it using the knowledge that we have here on the channel and the program that we have here on the channel. And now let's dive into our program. So basically our program is a 3-step program. Step number 1, we have compiled for you, basically a beginner in the business of day trading, 15 videos, each nearly 15 minutes each. All of those videos were compiled in the last 4 or 5 months. So all the information and examples that you're going to have going through these videos is up to date. You cannot get, I'm guessing, you cannot get a better up-to-date overall, let's call it this way, brief on the US equity markets. And this whole presentation is all about trading the US equity markets. So the idea here that you start with 14 videos, each is 15 minutes each. And let's start here. We have your beginners video, what makes the US stock market so exciting, how much money can you make in day trading. Again, this is the introduction. Then you move into how much risk you should assume per trade. Should you assume per trade a $10 risk or a $1,000 risk? That's a question that you need to answer yourself now. Okay, now, at the beginning. Why are the US stock markets so exciting and profitable for traders? Why trading stocks after earnings? How to find the perfect day trading candidate? How to use a smart stock screener? Why the S&P 500 is so important to these markets, not only in 2025, but I'm guessing forever. Finding low risk intraday patterns, which is the business of a professional, because you want to trade stocks, many stocks, not only one per day, but you want to trade them under the caveat that you want to trade them under very little risk. Trading with a lot of risk doesn't make any sense, because if you risk a lot and you make a lot, then they will basically nullify each other, and you end up with nothing, only spending time. So the idea here that you want to trade trades that you have a lot of potential versus very little risk. So how do you use the intraday support and resistance? Why professional technical analysis is the key to everything? Why technical analysis is your key to success? And basically get ready to take the first trade. So basically, in your own free time, I would say in a period of a month to 3 months, you need to be covering and watching and dissecting these 15 videos in depth. You need to watch them not only once, at least 2 to 3 times each topic, in order to comprehend and basically be able to ask yourself, do I know what I'm doing? Am I in the right business? Do I know what risk is? Do I know what reward is? Do I know what a technical pattern is? How do I choose the right stocks? And if you can answer yourself some of the questions in a positive way, then you can move forward. When you're going to finish this course and go over it once and twice or 3 times again, you'll probably know more than 80% of retail traders out there just are guessing. And it's yours, totally free, no commitment. You can do it in your free time. Nothing is required from you, as much as we want you to sign up and be a part of the daily charts. So the idea here is that as professional as you can get out of these videos, that's obviously just the beginning. You're gonna need to practice. So after you're on board with all these videos, you need to practice. And how do you practice? Should you practice with real money, or should you practice with the demo platform? Our idea here is, at this point, once you're finished and you are on board with basically all the knowledge out of these 15 videos, you need to practice, and you need to practice with the demo platform. And how are you about to do it? So many of you will ask yourself, I'm already in the business for a couple of months. I took the class. I'm in my spare time watching all kinds of videos, and I want to trade. And this is a mistake. The idea here is, see yourself as a pilot. Okay? Before you take flight, you work the simulator. And if you work the simulator for 6 hours and take your first flight versus 60 hours or 600 hours on the simulator, the results will be totally different. So the idea here now is that you need to spend anywhere between 2 and 3 months on the simulator on a daily basis, and prove yourself that the strategy that you're going to use in trading, investing, short-term trading, long-term trading, doesn't matter the approach that you eventually going to take, is successful. So the idea here is, before putting your money to work and getting all anxious about profits, and obviously it's all about profits, this is why we are in this business, to make money. The idea here is that you need to get yourself into a position where you have a chance to make money. In order to have a chance to make money, you need to make practice. And in order to make practice, you have first the course, and the second step will be your practice. And now let's talk about the third step before you put money to work. So the third step, and this is where we come, basically we as the Daily Charts come, we are offering a unique evolving mentorship program. And the idea here is that it's not a class, it's a one-on-one mentorship program. And the mentorship program is basically built around you, the trader. So if your business is US day trading, we have the expertise. If your business will be futures trading, we have you covered. And if your business is crypto trading, even better. So the idea here is that you can use our expertise and use the mentorship program. The mentorship program is 6 hours one-on-one, 2 3-hour session, or 3 2-hour sessions over Zoom. That program costs money. It's $1,500 per 6 hours. But it's, I think, as much as I'm in this business, that it's essential part for you as a beginner to listen to the fixes that we as the instructors in your program will have to work with you. So if you're making a mistake in one of your trades, and you'll make plenty of mistakes, we can fix it. You don't need to repeat it 10 times before you fix it yourself. So again, if you can fix everything yourself, by all means do it. But we've been in this business for a long period of time. We can look at your output that you're going to send to us after you day traded on the demo platform, and we will immediately observe where you make mistakes and why you're not making money. And if you are profitable after 2 or 3 months, you don't need us. By all means, open your account, and day trading will be as happy as you are that you don't need the mentorship. So step 1, go over the course. Step 2, practice. Step 3, go, which comes alongside step number 2, but definitely you need to day trade or trade before you go into the mentorship program. And then you're on your own, but not before you proved yourself. You don't need to prove us anything, it's your money. You proved yourself that you are successful and profitable. Not for 1 day, not for 2 days, but for a long period of time. At least 2 weeks to a month. Okay, so if you are profitable, doing whatever you're doing in any market that you're trading, with or without the mentorship, by all means, now you're ready to trade the markets. And if you're not ready, why not take more mentorship classes or redo the class again before putting money to work? And this money is going to disappear from your account, and you never come back to trading, which will be shameful, because this, if you are 30, 40, or whatever age you are, this business can follow you either as a professional or a part-timer for a long period of time. This trading is going to be here forever. Okay guys, I hope it was clear enough. You'll have the link to this course in the description. You have our email in the description. You have everything that you need to know in the description. Don't hesitate, email us or WhatsApp me about anything regarding this course. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in one of our mentorship soon. And again, thanks for watching.